Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Audi Q7 redefines luxury SUVs by blending sophisticated design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. Under the hood, the Q7 offers two robust engine options. 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder delivers 261 horsepower, providing a balanced mix of power and efficiency. 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 with mild hybrid technology produces 335 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction and control in various driving conditions. Exterior design. The 2025 Q7 showcases a refreshed exterior with a more aggressive front fascia, redesigned single-frame grille, and sleeker LED headlights, giving it a commanding and modern look. New taillight designs and subtle bumper tweaks enhance its sophisticated appeal. The SUV also offers a range of wheel designs, from 19-inch to 22-inch options, catering to various stylistic preferences. Interior design. Inside, the Q7 exudes luxury with high-quality materials, including Nappa leather and authentic wooden fittings. The spacious cabin comfortably seats 7 passengers, offering ample headroom and legroom. Advanced technology features include Audi's latest MMI touch response system with dual touchscreens, providing intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch HD display, offers customizable and crisp graphics for essential driving information. Fuel efficiency. The Q7's fuel efficiency varies by engine choice. 4-cylinder engine. EPA estimated 22 mpg city, 26 mpg highway. V6 engine. EPA estimated 18 mpg city, 23 mpg highway. The mild hybrid system in the V6 engine helps reduce fuel consumption during city driving, contributing to a balanced mix of performance and efficiency. In summary, the 2025 Audi Q7 stands out in the luxury SUV market by combining sleek design, advanced technology, and powerful yet efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking luxury, comfort, and versatility.